Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix when Samsung Galaxy A25 keeps updating automatically. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on device care. Now in device care, scroll down and click on software update. And here you will see a auto download over Wi-Fi button. So if you have turned on this button, then turn it back off. After turning it off, go back to settings and in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here click on settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on storage. And after opening storage, clear the app data and cache memory of settings. Now here click on delete to confirm.